Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to close a snack box flap properly. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have a snack box like this and it's got this type of flap, I'm going to show you and tell you how to close it properly. These flaps are found on many different snack boxes, from crackers, just like I have right here, to granola bars, to kids sort of snacks, kids sort of like fruit gummies and stuff like that, cereal boxes, all sorts of stuff. They have these flaps, okay? And in order to close the box properly, you're gonna have to sort of understand how this works. It's really, really easy. I'll show you exactly how it works. So I'm gonna open it up, okay? So essentially, you have two flaps over here. Imagine that, okay? On one flap, you have an indent. You can see this goes in. It goes in. It's an indent, okay? It goes into the flap. And on the other flap, you have an outdent, okay? You can see it sort of goes out from these little dips in here. It goes out. So one goes in, and the other one sort of looks like it goes out, because you can see it sort of has these dips, and then it goes out. So you have an indent and an outdent. Really, really easy to close, okay? So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the flap with the indent, and I'm going to press it down, not hard, but just gently. Press it down gently, because you want to have a little bit of give, like a little bit of movement in it. So take the flap with the indent and just press it down gently, and then take the flap with the outdent and put it over that other flap. Okay, and then the outdent, watch, we're going to push the outdent until it goes into and under the indent. So we're pushing the outdent, watch this, there it goes. It just went into and under the indent, then you can release it. There you go, look. You can sort of do whatever you need to do, and the box is going to be, it will come out eventually, like if you're, going crazy with the box, but like if you're putting the box away in a cupboard, it should stay in as long as the cardboard is not ripped. I'll show you one last time, okay? So you're going to take the flap with the indent over here, okay? This is the flap with the indent, as you can see right here. You're going to sort of press it down gently. Then take the flap with the outdent and put it over the other flap, okay? And basically, you want to press your finger down. Make sure the flaps are lined up. You see, they were not lined up. Make sure they're lined up like that. Press your finger down on the outdent until it sort of goes under and into the indent. Just like that. You can release it and you're good to go. Very, very simple. I'll show you one last time, I promise, in just a faster motion, okay? And I won't do as much explaining. So here's the box, okay? This is the indent flap. I'm going to press it down gently. Now I'm going to take the outdent flap, put it down over top, make sure they're lined up nicely, and press down on the outdent. Just like that. Once it goes into and under the indent, you're done. Literally that simple. That is how to close a snack box flap properly, okay? Your snack boxes, whatever you want to call it. I know I said snacks, but they're not snacks boxes. They're snack boxes, okay? There are many of them. So like I said, whether you call it a snacks box or a snack box, it doesn't matter. That's how to close the flap easily and properly. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Really, really easy to do, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.